Hey folks, this is Steven here from Volkswagen of Olympia. I have a 2024 Atlas SEL Premium right here, and today we're going to go over ambient lighting. So to get to that, we're actually going to go to Vehicle again. We're going to go to Interior, Ambient Lighting right here. So in here we can actually adjust the colors that we want. As you can see, it'll display right here along the footwells and along the door, but it'll also appear here on the dash. So right now I have red selected, but let's say we wanted blue. So now we have blue that's appearing up here on the dash as well. And I don't know if you could see it, but it even appears right there on the door right there. All right, so here's the settings for the ambient lighting. Right here, we can turn it on, turn it off. Right here is automatic color, so that'll actually adjust to the drive mode you're in. So if you change your drive mode, that'll actually change the color that it's going on. But we'll turn that off right now. Contours, so this is gonna be along this area. Then you have the doors. Obviously you can kind of see it along the door panels right here under the wood grain. You have the footwells, and then you have the surfaces. So this is how you can adjust their brightness individually in different areas. But this is the control for the ambient lighting. Thanks for watching, folks. If you like it, make sure you like and subscribe.